A descriptive guide to inserting equations in Word. Press Alt and equal sign. This will insert an equation at the position of your cursor and open the editor. Insert symbols by simply type \, followed by the symbol name and press the space bar. Insert fractions using /. Group expressions using brackets or parentheses are used to group parts of the equation in the editor. Use underscore and logical conjunction to insert subscripts and superscripts. Insert functions by pressing the spacebar after the function name. To make a character into a script character, for example, \script f would change the f into a script character. In Insert tab, click Equation. A list of equations in drop-down menu will display. You can click Insert New Equation. This will insert an equation at the position of your cursor and open the editor.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.